So with regards to the wudu, people ask this question: if somebody has a tattoo, can they do wudu or not? So see, the process of this tattooing is such that the needle and the dye is injected into the dermis, which is the deeper layer of the skin. So the wudu, for wudu, water is required to touch the surface of the skin, so it should clean the upper surface. So the dye is injected into the deeper layer, dermis. So if somebody does wudu, his wudu will be fine, because the dye, it is not preventing the water to come into contact with the skin. But if there is something over the skin which will prevent water to come in contact with the skin, that will nullify the wudu, that will cause that will hinder the wudu. But this dye is injected into the dermis, it is in the deeper part of the skin, so this does not prevent the wudu. So any tattoo which is like this, it does not prevent the wudu. If you make your wudu will take place, the wudu will be done.